Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut and set it with the ABA Setting Powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to take that shade and put that in the inner corner of my eyes as well as on my brow bone. Now I'm using the Duo Lash Glue and the Lilly Lashes in Radiant. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm going to use the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm going to use the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut again to conceal the dark spots on my face and neck. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really help my channel and I really appreciate it. Now I'm going to use the ABA Setting Powder in Deep Peach again to set where I have that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To highlight, I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the setting powder to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush. This is the Volume 4 palette, and I'm going to take that top shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the I Heart Revolution Fruity Highlighter in Pineapple. Now I'm going to use the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper. For lips, I'm going to use the Morphe Lust Potion Lip Oil in Deep Desire. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this glowing inner corner eye look that I did. It's a simple eye look and can be worn every day. So like I said, I hope you all enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really helps my channel and I really appreciate it. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.